Welcome. In front of me is ASUS ZenBook A14, and in this video I will show you where to find this device's specifications. So the first way is to open the start menu, then go to settings, select system settings right here, and then go down, scroll all the way down the list to about section, open the about section, and in the about you'll see the brief information about each element of your hardware. Down here you'll find your full device's specifications. Right here you got operational system specifications or Windows specifications, and if you want to check your device's hardware in real time, you can right click the taskbar, go to Task Manager. In Task Manager select Performance section, and here you'll find all the information you need about your device's hardware. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.